Hello, today I'm gonna show you some basic features of our document templates engine, which we use to create, fill and display different kind of documents, which can be created by the end users without any administrative interference or without creating any extra code, layout and things like that. Okay, so we start from creating a new template for something. Okay, so we start from a blank canvas. Let's create some form with 3 tabs, for example. Tab 1 going to be customer info. Okay, second tab is going to be food preference. Tab number 3 is going to be job experience. Okay, the first tab is going to be first name, middle name, last name, and date of birth. Maybe something else, like something like flag, like any checkbox. Okay, let's call it first name. We don't need any extra titles here. Same here for middle name, no titles. Same for last name, no titles as well. Date of birth, date of birth. Okay, let's make it mandatory. Okay, now we're going to use a special feature which we call choice. Choice allows you to choose between different paths of the structure. So let's call it please choose your food preference. Okay, the first one is going to be first one is going to be steak. Second one is going to be vegetarian. Okay, that's it, just for an example. Steak can have, okay, let's make it pretty, so let's add a grid. We don't need that much space. We can split it to smaller ones, join these. I'm just trying to create some indent here, so we're going to do the same thing here. Okay, join these, split this, join this, join. Okay, so first thing we can add, I'd like to have drop down. Drop down, we don't need any text, we don't need any comments. This is going to be lamb, beef, pork. Okay, and we add radio buttons. We call it bloody. Medium. Well done. Okay, as for the vegetarian, we're going to have let's have something different. Okay, I'm going to add group. I'm going to call it configure your salad. I'd like to add some checkboxes here. Let's add like 4 of them. Okay, good enough for the test. Okay, this is going to be carrots. This one is going to be beans. This one is going to be asparagus. And what else? What else? Onion. Okay. And let's have another group. Let's call this group choose your dressing. We can choose only one dressing, so here we add radials as well. And this can be none. This can be checked by default. Sour cream. And mayonnaise. I hope the spelling is right. Okay, let's save it. Okay, as for the job experience, here I'd like to show you how to handle collections. So we drop a collection here. Please add 1 or more job description. Okay. For here we're going to have grid as well. I'm going to add date and date. For this one I say that it's going to be start date, and here I allow to select months, not days. Extra title, don't need that. Here I have end date, months as well. Titles, okay. And here I would like to have text, but I'd like to have it as multi-line text. As jump description. Okay, this is mandatory. Okay. Okay, so let's see what we have. Here we have customer info tab, where I can enter Carol A. Makeup. Let's say it's 18. Let's call it June 1st. Checkbox checked. Okay. Food preference, so I can choose steak. It may be beef or medium. Let's do preview. On preview we have customer info, food preference, job experience. We can switch back to editing mode. Okay, this can switch to vegan, mark several checkboxes. Sour cream. Preview again. Okay, this is how it looks. And get back to edit mode. Job experience, we can add job starting in January, finishing in June. We can add some text, multi-lines, whatever. This can be bold. Preview. Okay, this is how it looks. Getting back to edit mode, adding another one. This is from May to August. It's not that this does not have any validation between different date controls, but this is quite easy to do. Okay, getting back to display mode. Okay, so this is how it looks. This are the very basic features which we have, so feel free to ask any questions.